Hey guys, it's Matt with BleepinJeep.com. Today I'm finally going to build my welding table, my long-awaited welding table. I've got all the steel, I've got the welder, I don't have a plan, but it's all up in here. Will it work? I hope so. Anyway, follow along and we'll weld this sucker up, and then I'll stick it here in my shop and we'll be good to go. Don't forget to check out my website, BleepinJeep.com. We've got all the cool interweb stuff there on the line. BleepinJeep.com. Alright, let's get started. Alright, now all I have to do is flip it over. We'll save that for tomorrow. Alright guys, so let me show you my welding table. I used 3/8 inch top. I really wanted a 1/2 inch, but they didn't have it at the time, and I really wanted to get this done, so I went with what I could, which was a 3/8 inch 4x8 sheet for the top. And I wanted 3x3 square tubing for the legs, but once again I went with 2x2. But after I got it all put together, it seems very, very sturdy and strong. Now I used angle iron on all the way up to the edge on this side so that I could use a C-clamp to clamp things to the side. And then on this side I did without. I left an overhang so that I could clamp things onto the top. I did use angle iron underneath here, but I offset it about 4 or 5 inches back so that I would have a bit of an overhang there to clamp stuff on. And I've got 4 legs on each corner, and then I've got, as you can see, the bracing and an H pattern underneath there, and 1 leg in the center. After I got it in position here, I went ahead and put a foot on the bottom of the center leg as well, and that just keeps it from bending or flexing at all in the middle. And it seems pretty strong. I still need to weld up a few little spots here and there. Once I got it into place, it was the floor is unlevel, so I had to use different shims, different size shims on the feet, and hopefully I won't have to move it, otherwise I'll have to re-shim the bottom. But I need to go ahead and weld that up, but I haven't done it yet because my welder plugs in over there and it won't reach this far, so I need to move the wiring over here so that I will have a weld spot over here. But that's it. I hope you learned something. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to check out my website, BleepinJeep.com. We've got all the best off-road videos in one spot, none of the boring stuff. We've also got hats and tees, discounts, coupon codes, and hard-to-find parts like flux capacitors, muffler bearings, and that kind of thing. So check it out, BleepinJeep.com. We also have stickers, fairly new. So check that out, and do subscribe to the YouTube channel and check out the Facebook page as well. We'll see you next time.